Welcome back to another unboxing video from the Greek Android and iOS users. This time I was thinking to unbox the S21 Ultra 5G in the 16GB variant, as you can see right there, 512GB ROM, 16GB RAM. So this is actually the beast. There's nothing bigger than this. Very nice phone. It's continued the trend of the, well, no charger, no earphones, no nothing. Exactly like the iPhone. That's following the iPhone trend, unfortunately. Now, I've already unboxed. I've already used the phone for a while. This is it. I've already set it up. Beautiful phantom black color. Fingerprint sensor immediately. Very, very fast. There you go. The Exynos variant 2100. Pretty much the same power as a Snapdragon 865 Plus, and pretty much less, but there's no overheating issues, and the battery is quite good so far. We're at a good 1.5 hour screen time with 75% less to go. And I don't know, what can I say? It's a very fast device. As you can see, 120 hertz all the way. You can actually use the motion that you go 120 hertz, and you can go down and change the screen resolution to 2K, and you still got 120 hertz, which was not available in any other previous Samsung phone. Now, you don't really see the difference, to be honest. On a phone, you can't see much. So let's see what's in the box. Now, in the box, there's absolutely nothing. There's nothing in the box. The only thing you have in this little black box is cord and the booklets. There you go. Cord and the booklets. Pour, nothing else. That's it. It's one of the quickest unboxings that I've ever done. Now, if you want to see some more information, just go into Greek Android iOS users, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And it does come with a factory in the front. It has the cover. There you go, screen protector. Very nice in the hand, a little bit thicker than the Note 20 Ultra. The camera bump, not too much. There you go. Now, they've actually improved the fingerprint. It's improved the Face ID, the unlock, and stereo speakers, very loud. I think it's one of the best phones out there, the Android, and it's probably even better than the 12 Pro Max at the moment, for my opinion. So yeah, for more of these videos, just stay tuned.